welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
If you look around, this is my kitchen. Those are my puppies. Teddy
Puppy
and
one.
Ginger, like they always licking
puppy
stuff.
two.
Oh my, come here, Teddy.
Puppy two.
And these are, come here, my baby. I love them both. And Michael behind the camera. Michael, say hi to everybody.
Hey.
Let me just do a little rinsey rinse here with my hands. And yesterday, when I went to the supermarket again, because I'm always at the supermarket,
That's right.
I got some yucca.
What's that?
This yucca roots. Okay, you can do fried yucca with this. You can boil the yucca. This, I'm from the Caribbean, so Dominican Republic, Puerto
Just turn the
Rico,
light on.
Jamaica, Cuba, Yucca, Miami. This is so Spanish. This is so Caribbean. So what you do usually at the supermarket when you go, or you go to a Spanish bodega in New York, because I grew up on the East Coast. When for you actually look for yucca and you know when they're good because they let you go like this on the top. You see how nice and clean it is? It's supposed to be like that. Now if you get that, you're good. Now I got two yuccas and I got this one. This one I cut that piece and you see how it is? That means that that's no good. But I'm gonna keep on going down to see if maybe that was just the front of it. It looks,
Let me see.
Like it was just the front of it, but you gotta take the back, you know? So what you're gonna do with this is, you see? Let's see the back of it, looks good. So what I'm gonna put it in here, cut it like that, because it's yucca, it's not something very easy to cut, but once you get a hold of it, you go like this, and you try to get the skin, and you'll see it will come off. You see how it comes off? See?
Oh.
See? But you gotta take that.
It rolls right off.
Yeah, it rolls right off. Exactly. This is a root. This is they make flour out of yucca. I don't know what is it called. Is it
Yucca flour.
Yucca flour. So what are we gonna do today? Is we're gonna fry the yucca. Now, as you see how I'm cutting it. Took the thing off, and then you go and well, it doesn't matter. That is that little string from the yucca. When it grows, well, we gotta do this here. So I'm gonna be taking that off, and I'm gonna cut it again, like that. Oh, but that's clean thing. Clean dishes there. See, I got 4 pieces.
All right.
5, 6.
What are you gonna be doing
7, 8. I'm gonna fry them, and then you're gonna put salt on it. Oh, that one is too thin, but I like them a little bit thinner than that, because when they're too thick like this, it's a pain in the neck for them to, oh, that one was too thin to fry, you know? But this is what I'm gonna do. That's good. And then I wanna like go here.
Kind of look like apple slices without the
Apple
skin.
slices. And
Without the
then
skin.
let's peel this other half. Ginger, be careful. Look at where Ginger is. Show Ginger so people can see where Ginger is on top of the couch. Show Ginger. Hi, Ginger. Anda Ginger de mama. Oh, here she comes.
Here she comes. Here
She
she
thinks
comes.
I'm gonna give her something. And of course, there she is by my feet. But we gotta cut this yucca, and we're gonna make just this little bit because I want to show you guys how to make yucca, yucca fries, yucca sticks, and you fry them, and they're really good. You know, you dip them in hot sauce. So this is for anybody that have never made this. This is very famous in New York on the East Coast of the United States. In New York City, in New Jersey, because you have all these Spanish people. I mean, all these restaurants. They're like great restaurants with all this delicious food, you know. And this is kind of like organic. Yep. It's nice and fresh. Be careful, you don't want to cut your fingers. Okay, so here we got all our yucca. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take these yucca sticks and we're going to put them in a thing like this.
What's the thing? Oh,
With
a bowl.
yeah, with a little bit of cold water.
All right.
Okay? You're gonna put cold water like this.
Wait, let me see. Let everyone see.
Okay.
They gotta see. Oh, okay, visual.
And you're gonna put salt.
Okay, why are you gonna put salt and water?
Salt and water.
So what's going on?
You need like the flour of the yucca to release.
Okay.
And then we're gonna dry them.
Right.
So I'm gonna put a lot of salt. Okay?
So the salt makes the yucca flour release?
Yeah. Look, no, you're gonna put them in here.
And how long do they stay in
Because you
there?
gotta get them wet, so it can just like like 30 seconds.
Okay, so
and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go, and when we come back, not 30 seconds, I said, that's perfect, like 30 seconds, a minute. And then what we're gonna do, I can do that right now, guys. We're gonna take him out. Michael, why do you like thing? Look at my son, Michael. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna do this. You're gonna take him back out again, see? You see that thing? You see that milk, that release?
yeah.
You need that out so these can fry the right way.
Okay.
You know, and then you're gonna put that salt.
So you don't want
it.
none of that milk.
No, you don't
All
want
right.
any of that, you see? Then you're gonna take him out like this. You're gonna put him in that napkin. Okay? You're gonna throw that out, of course. And then you're gonna put him over here. You can come around, Michael.
Coming
Now,
round,
put him
coming
in.
round.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fry them. Michael, where's my kitchen rags? Why do you have a bad habit of taking my kitchen rags as soon as I get a
They were all
kitchen rag-
dirty, Mama.
Yeah, but he takes my
But I'm
kitchen-
doing laundry.
But I know you're doing laundry. You're always doing laundry. You're always doing laundry. But you take my kitchen rags and then I don't have anything to do anything.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Okay, now,
All right,
we're going to use some corn oil.
let's do it.
Right?
How much?
Well, just a little bit enough because... Sorry, I'm using my big teeth to open this, but it doesn't matter, right? As long as you open it, you see, you got to take this thing all the way. And it's corn oil, 100% pure corn oil. So, like that, enough. Because the yuca, they need to be covered. Now, while that is filled up like that, I'm going to come over here. And I am going to dry these again. Okay? And they got to be like this, dry. So you see what I'm doing?
Oh yeah.
So what I'm doing is using one by one because it's going to take a few minutes before that gets really hot and we can put them in.
So you're just drying them right now with a napkin.
With a napkin. But it can be with a
Blotching
rag,
the
clean-
water off.
The water, exactly. The excess. Oh, that
Oh.
one fell. So we're not going to
Yucca
use
stick
that.
down.
No, we can wash it, rinse it up a little bit. That's good. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to keep on, see? These are dry. And we're going to keep on just, you see? And those ones that they look like too thick, the best thing for those is to cut them a little bit thinner. That's getting hot already. Just cut them a little tiny bit thinner, because if we do that, then they fry better.
So cut it even
Like, you
thinner
know-
than the original cutting.
Like this, look, like that's a perfect, you know what
So
I'm
they
saying?
look like French fries.
And, yeah, like French fries, but you want them like, you know what I'm saying? You want them to,
They got oil starting to get hot.
yeah, not yet. It's not ready yet. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna put all these in there.
All right.
See, and when they come out, they're gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna put them in, and then you guys are gonna see me taking it out, put it in a thing, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna close the thing. We're gonna put salt. You're gonna see how pretty they're gonna come out. But for now, I'm gonna put them in, and I want you guys to see me putting them in. And then we're gonna leave, and we're gonna come back with little videos, and then when we're done, we're gonna wrap it up. So with that, before I put it in, I gotta tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, on what is the other places, Michael?
Facebook,
Facebook,
Reddit, Google Plus, Tumblr, and check our Patreon link in the
And
description
check
down
our
below,
Patreon
and become
link.
a patron to get access to unexclusive content and unseen footage, guys. Okay,
See, he knows
$1,
all that.
everybody, just $1. Can you spare a
We'll
dollar?
make the- we'll make the
$1,
difference.
and we can continue filming our recipes as scheduled.
It will help us a lot.
Yes, it
because
will.
We do spend a lot doing all this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put. Let me see if it's hot.
All
This is how we
right,
know if it's
heat
hot.
it up,
It's
heat it
not,
up.
You see, it's not hot. But anyways, with that, I just wanted to tell you guys all that. Don't drink and drive, and you know what to do. And we're gonna go, and then you guys are gonna see me putting that in the medium, and then at the end. So see you soon. Always ready for the yucca sticks. Putting them in, frying them. All right. Turning them, you can see how brown they're getting. These are so good, the best snack ever. I like them boiled. One day I'm gonna make yucca, but I'm gonna boil it. So you see, it looks like potato. but it's a different thing. But it has its own starch. But you see, actually, this doesn't hurt my stomach. Isn't that weird, guys? Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
These are the yucca sticks. I'm bringing them out. Look how pretty they look.
Oh
I
yeah.
just made a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay? Put the last one there. Let's turn this off, Michael, right? And push that grease to the back like that. And then, oops, that's a little bit of oil that went in there. And then I'm gonna put these here. I'm gonna sit right here. And then some hot sauce. I just wanna like try one. Look how beautiful they look. They're just very hot, but they're nice and they're crunchy. I don't know how I'm gonna eat one, and I wanna show people how good they are. And I want them to see me. I'm gonna take a cup like.
Oh yeah.
1, 2. Oh, they're very hot, right, Mike? 3. They already have the salty thing on, but you put a little bit more, and then you go like this with hot sauce. I'm gonna tell you, when you make this, you're gonna love it so much. You're gonna say, "Wow, Cynthia and Mike, this is delicious."
And what are these called? Yucca sticks?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right, so that's gonna be the title, guys. Yucca sticks recipe. Delicioso? Let me get some. Hold on, huh? Everyone has to see. They gotta see. They gotta see. All right, guys. What they gotta see? Show them. Show them. No, if you eat me that one, I'll eat this one. Let me eat this one. All right, everyone. Your moment of truth.
By the way, it's delicious. You can make this at home. Crunchy. Oh. My other son loved these too.
It's delicious.
But anyway, I'm gonna see if you want some right now. They are delicious, I told you, right? And you can snack up them. You know what is this good for? Like if you're watching football, a lot of people they get their wings and all that. This is like very, very good.
It's like an alternative to celery.
It doesn't get you fat either.
All right.
We're gonna see inside when I take a bite. They're nice and white. They look like potatoes. Kind of taste like potato, but they're not. They're actually more crunchy, right?
Oh yeah.
But anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Sorry, guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. Don't forget to press the notification button. Follow the link for Patreon down below.
And donate that dollar, guys.
Donate that dollar, guys, so we can keep on doing all these wonderful clips and videos and everything that we make for you guys.
The people.
And for everybody that wants to learn. Man, woman, young people, old people. We all gotta eat. Everybody
Fish, bear, rabbit.
So by the way,
we
this
teach
yucca
everyone.
cost me $1.29. That yucca cost me because it was on sale. And we got like 3-4 pounds of it, right, Mike? I'm gonna get another one. And you know what to do. Don't drink and drive. It's Thursday the 24th, 1:14 p.m. in the afternoon. January 24, 2018. Don't drink and drive.
We love you.
We love you all. And God bless. Have a wonderful day with the last bite of yucca.
Delicioso.
How it comes out.